Wow. Oh my. Hi, Assalamualaikum everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Balkis here. So in this video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and I'm also going to be doing my brows for the first time in like a year or two. I'm going to be using this brows on lash out brow set. Yeah. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is pump out some foundation on my hand. Okay. Just a little bit because I'm not going anywhere, so I don't feel the need to pump out a lot. So I'm just gonna dab it around my face. And also it's like 5 something, like it's already evening, so why must I wear a lot of makeup, you know? And even when I go out, usually I don't really wear like makeup, not because like I think I'm pretty or anything, just because I'm lazy. Like that's literally it. There's no other reason. Okay, I'm just gonna use this as my mirror. Okay. So I'm just gonna blend this out. So usually I use this oval brush. I don't know what this brush is called, but I'm thinking I should get like the normal kind of brush. Like, I'll put it on the screen. I don't know.
But I feel like this brush is great, so I don't know. I just want to see like the
Difference, you know, between using like this kind of brush and the normal brush. I'm sorry if you can hear any like background noises because I'm obviously outside right now. And I have my fan on, so okay, so once that's blended out, I don't think I'm gonna do concealer. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Yeah, we're not gonna do that today. So the next thing I'm gonna do is probably just gonna do my brows, I guess. I don't know. Did I get some on my... Zara? Can you check? Okay, y'all, my bad. My gardener is here. The thing I'm gonna do is do my brows. Okay, so I'm going to be using this. This is the Brows on Lash Out Benefit Brow Set. Okay, so when you open it, looks like this. So it comes with this. This is the 3D Brow Tone by Benefit. Let's see. Say hi. Say hi. These people. Okay, so this is the 3D Brow Tones. It's so small. Has like a brown tint to it. And then this is the Bad Gal Bang. I don't even know what this is because there's no like bigger, better volume. Oh, mascara. Okay, this is what mascara. Okay, since we're like using this set, I might as well use this mascara. So I'm not gonna use my... Oh my god, I literally poked my hand into my highlighter. I'm not gonna use this mascara. I'm just gonna use this since we're testing out the Benefit ones. And it also comes with this. This is the Foolproof brow powder. That's what it looks like. This is like the chalk, not chalk. This is the product, and also comes with a little thing. Why is it shaped like this? What is this? Why is this like a pencil shape? Do you mean I'm supposed to do my brows with this? Like that? Oh, okay. I curl my lashes. and then put on the mascara and see how well the mascara works. Do you guys think it's a big difference when you use eyelash curler and when you don't? I don't really know if it makes a difference, but okay. So I'm just gonna use this for my mascara. Let's see if it's good. Because if it's good, then this is gonna be really handy, especially when you travel because it's small. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh wow. 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 Can you guys see the comparison? The mascara and this is without. Good. Bro, that looks so nice. Like it like spreads out my eyelashes well too. This is good. I mean, like, and it doesn't make them look clumpy because I guess there's not that much product. But I think it's the brush that's good. I don't know, but this is impressive, y'all. And I think that this is really good because it's small. So like, wait, what did I? Okay. So like you can bring this when you're traveling, or if you can wear makeup to school, then you should bring this. But I can't, so doing the foolproof brow powder. It comes with a mirror already in here, so yeah. So we're gonna use this. Comes with a plastic like cap. I mean, this is what you get, you know, when you film outside. There's a airplane, there's cars and everything. Okay, anyways. You guys hear that? Or is it just me? Okay. So there's like a darker shade and the lighter shade. I'm just gonna use the darker shade because as you can see my brows here are like black. So yeah. Oh, I think you're supposed to like use the darker shade on the end and the lighter shade here, I think. Because you see it's like the brow. Yeah. Did that even take anything? What the? I can't see. This mirror is too like small. Okay, I just took a bit. So like, wait, can you guys see? Okay. So I don't know. I think it's this thing. I think it's this. If I have like a little brush, like a brush that's meant for eyebrows, I think it would look really good. Because my friend, she uses this thing as well, and it looks good on her. I don't think she uses this brush. Wait, what's that? Oh my. So you see it says benefit here, right? Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but then it has this arrow. Then when you open it, it's a brush. That's cool. Okay, I don't know, I think I'm just like Jacqueline or something.
Anyways. This is so small, dude.
Okay. Oh wait, I think I can like do this. Oh my god, oh my god. I think I'm smart. Okay, okay. I mean, the brush works well. I mean, it's just a brush. Like, you can't like mess up a brush, can you? Okay, now we're gonna continue trying on the product. I honestly think that it's not the product that's bad here. I think it's this. I think it's this. and I don't have a eyebrow brush because I don't do my eyebrows, so that's an issue. But maybe I'll get like an eyebrow brush and I'll do an updated version of this video, because I feel like I'm not doing this justice. Oh wait, this is kind of good. No, not really. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on trying. Like, honestly, I feel like the product is good, but it's just the brush. Like, it's just this. I feel like the product is, it does its job, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna try to do my other side. And I'm gonna take the lighter shade and try it in the inner corners, the inner part of my eyebrows. Let's see, this worked.
Did that make any difference? I don't think it did. I feel like it doesn't make that much of a difference because my eyebrows is black. So yeah. Just gonna try and do this one. Oh wait, you can kind of see? It filled it in. I've seen some people say that they have like a preference on like which eyebrow they like. I feel like I like this eyebrow better.
Yeah, I think I like this eyebrow better. Why is my neck showing? Okay. Yeah, I don't know why. I think it's like the shape. Why does my hijab look like that? Okay. It's getting dark because I'm filming this and it's almost 6. I don't know if this made any difference. I hope it did. Whoa. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so I think that this side looks a little bit better than the other one. Maybe I need to like press in more on the powder. Yeah. I'll definitely do a updated video when I get like an actual brush for eyebrows, because I truly have faith in this product, but this brush not doing its justice. Okay, and now I'm just gonna use this. This is the Subtle Brow Enhancing Highlights Reflex, whatever. Yeah, this, I think this is just like a brow gel, but it has a little bit of a brown tint. You can see. I don't really like things with brown tint because my eyebrows are black, so yeah, but we'll see. I think this is just to like hold your eyebrow in place, you know? Yeah. And I got it on my hijab because I'm smart like that. I'm just using my normal brush to comb it out. Overall, I think the product is good, but I really like the mascara. I think that this is good if you are running late and you still want to do your eyebrows. I think this is good. And for this thing, I feel like the product itself, it's good, but this brush, I don't think the brush is good. But overall, I think the product is good and I would definitely use it. And if you guys want like a mascara that you can wear when you're traveling and stuff and it's easy to carry, I think this is definitely the one. This is so small, you can fit it in your purse. Literally, like, it's so small and it's so cute. Okay, so I guess that's all for the brow portion of this video. Now I'm just gonna continue doing my eyeshadow. I'm just using this like orangey shade of blush. I feel like eyeshadows show up better when you use your fingers. Yeah. I don't think that made any difference. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other side. Anyways, I'm just gonna apply my lip. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to, you can follow me on my Instagram or even my TikTok. So I'll see you guys in my next video, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.